My full name is Mawuli Kojo Apeti. I'm a sergeant at the 348 Field Hospital Center out of Fort Meade, Maryland. Myself and my son's mom, we live in different states. So when I get my son, it's usually falling on towards the end of the week and or weekend if we do have battle assemblies. So I would definitely say the upward program was very beneficial in helping me find childcare, with persons local to the area. Very convenient. The one that was recommended to me was literally 20 minutes from my house, and then it was en route to my unit. So I would definitely say like how it was coordinated for me to get childcare and still make it to my unit. It all worked out in that regard. But yeah, definitely big time challenges in trying to find childcare for my son, especially on drill weekends. It's really tough, especially if family members happen to work that weekend and or friends. So the upward program is definitely beneficial in this regard. So I found out about the Upwards program. Actually, there were many notices posted around at the unit where I drill at and currently am working full time. And then actually one of my fellow sergeants saw the notice, snatched it off the glass, and like brought it to my office to try to help me because even during the week I faced some challenges to get childcare. So I couldn't, possibly have my child co-pilot with me at work. But it's been a juggling act in getting childcare, and it can definitely be tough for a reservist like myself and many others. I probably do my part to spread the word if any other reservists are having issues. It was very, very efficient, very quick. I think her name is Dana. She was very efficient in looking for local daycare providers and or out of home child care providers to get me set up for tours. Like I literally reached out, I would say Wednesday of that week, and literally by Thursday, we were already coordinating a tour to set it up to where my son could be there for the weekend. I would say Upward is very efficient and very rapid in locating daycare providers and helping the service member get the child care they need before drill, even if it's last minute on their end or my end for that matter. Definitely, the provider was very prepared and professional. She had all the required paperwork, all the required questions to ensure my son's safety throughout the time in which he was in her care. It was perfect. She was very informative throughout the day, pictures, videos, updates on how much he ate, if he had a bowel movement, how many dirty diapers, anything and everything. She definitely kept me informed throughout the day. Again, she met me at the door. She was very by the book. She had a temperature thermometer to make sure that my son wasn't ill or anything before accepting him at the time. So it definitely gave me a good warm and fuzzy that, I had nothing to worry about. Again, there was more her reaching out to me than me reaching out to her. I mean, I totally trusted her. I would not hesitate to use Upwards again. Again, it's very, very beneficial to the service member, and it's very good that something like this can be provided to a service member, especially at no cost. My message to the U.S. Army and the Army Reserves is I would just think this is another notch in the belt to help, soldiers like myself to find childcare and ensure that, a soldier doesn't have to stress and panic and constantly wonder and think about, how can I go about getting childcare? And, even when I'm not a active duty soldier and I'm a PPU reservist, I still have to go through these issues to find childcare and try to figure things out as a first-time parent. So it can be a little stressful, and I would definitely say the Upwards program has been beneficial in helping me. And I would just hope that the program can expand across the United States for all soldiers, for all reservists, for all branches of the military.